Advanced mechanical harvesters swiftly gather the ripe oranges, ensuring efficiency. The journey of fresh oranges begins, from the groves to the processing plant. Giant machines meticulously unload tons of ripe oranges, ensuring peak freshness from harvest. Advanced systems ensure every step of the process is precisely monitored for optimal quality and efficiency. Thousands of ripe Valencia oranges arrive, ready for their transformation into juice. Massive, automated systems ensure every orange begins its journey efficiently. The continuous flow propels them toward advanced sorting and cleaning processes. From trailer to processing, automation ensures a flawless, high-volume operation. The journey begins as a river of fresh oranges enters a colossal, automated washing system. Automated systems ensure every orange receives a pristine, sanitary wash. The immense washing hall operates with precision, a marvel of modern food production. High-speed optical scanners meticulously inspect each orange for peak quality. Colossal machinery ensures only the finest fruit advances to production. Unseen algorithms precisely categorize and direct each individual fruit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Advanced AI swiftly identifies even the slightest imperfections, ensuring only the finest oranges proceed. Rejected fruits are swiftly removed by precise air jets, maintaining peak quality standards. Precision grading ensures only the finest oranges proceed to juice extraction. Only oranges meeting the highest standards proceed to the next critical phase. Within this colossal hall, state-of-the-art machinery meticulously transforms fruit into pure, vibrant juice. Inside the heart of the extractor, powerful forces expertly separate the refreshing juice from the pulp and peel. The freshly extracted juice begins its journey through immaculate stainless steel conduits, preserving its pristine quality Precision engineering grips each ripe orange, initiating the extraction process. The powerful motion liberates the pure essence of the fruit. Golden liquid cascades, a testament to the efficient extraction. Witness the seamless power transforming fruit into pure, fresh juice. Observe the innovative extractor using CGI to reveal its precise internal mechanisms. Watch as each orange is precisely positioned, ready for flawless juice extraction. Pure juice flows into its dedicated channel, a testament to technological brilliance. Observe the meticulous, high-definition details of the intricate separation process. In the vast extraction hall, colossal machines begin the meticulous process of transforming fresh oranges. Inside the extractor, sophisticated mechanisms gently press the oranges, yielding the golden liquid. A critical moment, the expert draws a fresh sample directly from the production line. Clarity and consistency are meticulously checked, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. High-speed centrifuges efficiently separate the juice, ensuring purity and a smooth texture. Control room technicians meticulously monitor every stage, ensuring optimal quality. The refined juice emerges, perfectly clear and ready for the next stage of processing. Vast stainless steel machinery prepares the golden juice for preservation. Through advanced heat exchange, purity is achieved with technological precision. Automated systems guarantee the precise temperature and flow for optimal quality. Every drop is safeguarded by the rigorous, automated pasteurization process. The pasteurization process concludes, yielding juice of exceptional purity. In the advanced control room, precision is paramount for quality. Confirming optimal conditions ensures the juice's integrity and taste. Within the colossal aseptic tank farm, vast quantities of pure orange juice are meticulously stored. Advanced control systems ensure precise monitoring and perfect conditions for every drop. These colossal tanks represent the heart of our storage capacity, preserving juice freshness. Rigorous quality checks guarantee that only the finest orange juice continues its journey. The journey from orchard to aseptic storage ensures every drop retains peak flavor. In the aseptic tank farm, colossal tanks safeguard the quality of our juice. Automated precision ensures every sample is drawn with ultimate sterility. The robotic arm secures the sample, ensuring its integrity for advanced analysis. Inside the automated lab, precision robots begin the continuous monitoring process. Precision robotics transform flat sleeves into sterile cartons, ready for their journey. Advanced engineering meticulously folds each carton, preparing it for liquid contents. At blurring speeds, perfectly formed cartons move along the conveyor, a ballet of automation. The entire packaging hall hums with a symphony of advanced machinery, delivering perfection. Precision engineering ensures every carton is perfectly filled with fresh orange juice. High-speed nozzles descend, beginning the swift, aseptic transfer of pure orange juice. Every drop of pure orange juice is carefully sealed, maintaining peak freshness and quality. Filled cartons emerge, ready for final sealing, a testament to modern production. Advanced ultrasonic technology precisely seals each carton, securing the freshness within. Robotic arms swiftly apply caps, ensuring every carton is perfectly sealed and ready. Laser etching adds vital batch and date codes, ensuring traceability and quality control. From sealing to coating, each carton is a testament to precision and modern manufacturing. Advanced systems ensure every carton of our premium orange juice meets the highest quality standards. Robotic precision orchestrates the seamless movement, ensuring continuous flow without interruption. Every carton undergoes rigorous digital inspection, guaranteeing unmatched purity and freshness. Precision testing ensures every drop of juice meets the highest quality standards. This rigorous analysis guarantees the pure taste and nutritional value of every bottle. Colossal robotic arms meticulously arrange fresh orange juice cartons onto pallets with unmatched precision. This fully automated system ensures every carton is handled with absolute consistency and care. Precision engineering ensures optimal stacking density, maximizing storage and transport efficiency. From individual cartons to perfectly stacked pallets, automation ensures an uninterrupted flow of quality orange. Advanced AGVs ensure a seamless flow of fresh produce, moving with precision through the vast automated facility. Robotic cranes meticulously lift and place pallets, optimizing every inch of the vast storage facility. From initial harvest to automated storage, technology ensures every orange reaches its destination flawlessly.